Ethereum is about to make a large move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome back to another Ethereum analysis. Now, in yesterday's video, I did mention that we were possibly looking to test this level of 1421, but there was something to key note. I mentioned that we were making a potential magical support here at 1498. As you can see, there was some correlation around this level, and that is exactly what happened on Ethereum. We had a false breakout to the upside. We can see that right here we had a move to the downside, retested that 1485 level, and then continued breaking higher. Obviously, as soon as we broke above this support level again, that was a reason to go long. Just in case, like I said, I told you guys in the Bitcoin video that technically speaking, we could have a V-shaped correlation here, and that's exactly what happened. We can see that once Ethereum broke this candlestick, we were confirmed to have this massive move to the upside. Now, we are seeing some resistance once again at the 1646 level, but in my opinion, I do still think that this level will be tested at the 1708, because the reason is we've tested this level 4 times prior, and now it looks like Ethereum wants to retest this resistance and completely break above and retest the highs once more. Now, obviously, the merge is carrying Ethereum for now. What happens after the merge might be interesting, right? A lot of people are expecting it to drop very heavily, but in my opinion, we could see a potential move higher before another drop to the downside. Now, my key levels of support, obviously, if we do drop, are around the 1421 level and the 1356 level. If these two levels were broken, we would be looking at a worst case scenario at 1278 for a potential bounce. And as you guys know, I mentioned in the previous video that that is a very important support level, because you can see that Ethereum failed to break above that resistance level 3 times. So that acts as a very good support for Ethereum when it comes to the downside. Now, looking at the lower time frames, we have a different story, right? So as you guys know, I mentioned that always look at the lower time frames. On the lower time frames, you can see that, you know, we did technically break above below the exponentials for a brief moment before we were bought up, and now it looks like we are just consolidating in this range. You want to be really careful and pay close attention to what happens next on Ethereum. If we do go and retest the resistance level, we would need a clean break above, not like we had previously over here where we had a consolidation right above the resistance. We want a clean break above, come back down, retest that resistance as support, and then continue higher. That is the level we're looking for on Ethereum. Right now, this is still not a consolidation and obviously not a trading zone. You don't want to be entering any sort of positions here. You just kind of want to watch and see what happens on Ethereum, right? Remember, guys, not being in a position is still being in a position. It's better to be safe than sorry. So my opinion, I would wait until we have that confirmation move set, or whether we break above this resistance and fail and then continue back down, you can possibly look for another shorting opportunity to the downside. Now, if that happens and we do see a failed break above, you guys know that technically speaking, that would become the third test. And usually on the third test, it never holds. So just keep that in mind when you're trading these short positions, right? If you're looking to take some profits, you can look to take some profits around the 1526 level, but remember, when it's coming down and it has the third test, usually it doesn't hold. But that's all I have for you guys. Again, thank you so much. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.